So what are we shooting today, Lenny?
Do you care about me?
Yeah, what are we shooting today, Lenny?
Hello. We're shooting a Porsche 356, man.
What year is this? Do you know?
Man, I couldn't tell you, to be honest with you.
I tried to name off the year. I couldn't even name the year. But she's a beauty. What's the name of the color, Chris?
Bison blue.
Bison blue?
Yes.
Chris, say hello to the camera.
How's it going?
This is the man, the machine right here. This is the man, and that's the machine. What year is that?
1957.
1957. How long have you had it?
A few years. Built it with my dad. And
Dirt Floor Garage. What is that about?
so back in Galveston, when my dad grew up, he had a big warehouse, and he'd always be fixing his friends' cars. And all the hurricanes over the years, the building would flood every year.
Really?
And so by the time he got older and got to own the building, there was about a few inches of dirt on the floor. You couldn't even see the concrete of the building.
That's such a cool story, man.
And so they called him Dirt Floor
Garage. That's awesome. So you guys, sorry about that. So you guys are real car people. You guys
We enjoy building them and making them look as good as this one. So.
Yeah, I think it's gorgeous, man. Like, I've seen a number of restorations, but that just makes me feel like that came off the showroom floor.
I think it almost looks better than this.
Let's go! That's the attitude to have with, whenever you put so much tender love and care into a car, that's what you want to always appreciate and admire.
And this is a car you keep forever.
Oh yeah, for sure, man. It's beauty. Appreciate you bringing that out for us.
Of course. Yeah, thanks for shooting it.
Yeah, for sure.
Walking on a dream. How can I explain? Talking to myself. Will I see again?
Sweet dreams are made of these. Who am I to disagree? I travel the world and the seven seas.
On the boulevard of broken dreams, I heard that your dreams came true.
Well, I'll be a daydream. I'll be your favorite things.
You were making my dreams come. See, my dreams are full, nightmares come true.
Oh no, please God, tell me what dream.
For every dreamer, a dream was unstoppable, with something to believe in.
You said this one has 100 horsepower? 100?
Yeah, it's about 105, maybe close to 110. So it's an SC engine, which is the last iteration of the 356. It's been rebuilt to SC spec, which is higher horsepower, and then we put a bigger cam in it.
Nice.
And so it pumps out a little bit more horsepower, makes it more drivable. It also has the SC transmission, which makes it a little bit more tolerable in the freeway. And little, modifications like the louvered deck lid.
Yep.
Helps.
What is it?
First of all, it looks awesome.
Yeah.
But it also helps with cooling and things like that.
I like that deck lid. What's the, what is it, a 4-speed?
Yes.
5-speed? 4-speed.
4-speed. It's like an H pattern.
Gotcha. Yeah, man, that car is, I keep on saying it, but I think even the passerbyers call it out. It's a beauty. It's absolutely stunning piece of art. And I think that's kind of like what we look at for cars nowadays. Either they're powerful and just, build confidence for our driving, or they're works of art. Kind of like whenever we say we see a Pagani. Like, I don't think that car is probably the best driving car, that's what I'm hearing. But that car is a work of art.
It's art on wheels.
It's art on wheels. And that's what I think this is. This is art on wheels, man. It's gorgeous. But like, this is like a Porsche enthusiast dream, right? It's like, these are the ones, like, for people older than me. They grew up, seeing other people drive. And now this young kid over here, he's driving it. The ones that I saw were the 964s and the 993s. That was my era of being a kid. And I really enjoyed them. I thought they were so cool. And now this guy, Lenny, Porsche ambassador. is he's convincing me more and more to get a Porsche. But we already agreed that I'm getting one. I just have a certain model that I want. And it's the 992 GT3 RS, the one that you sold, but you're going to get back into, right? It's the one. And so you agree with him?
Oh yeah.
No.
I think it's a better looking car.
I like, I do like the styling of his orange one, the lava orange, but...
I'm really good friends with the guy that he sold it to and bought it back.
Oh, really? That's the thing that he just told me last week, and I'm just like, I didn't realize you ever had that. That's how quickly you go through cars.
He does, I swear. Posting something new on Instagram.
Every time. But the reason I like the 992 GT3 RS, I feel like it's like the STO. It's the race car.
It is.
On the road. It's their GT3 model that is on the...
And they've made it where it's comfortable.
Yeah, for sure.
Then you can just go rip it out on the track.
And then that everybody was so anxious, and I was too, just to be able to press the DRS button. But I don't know, I don't see many people talk about it anymore, so I feel like it's not so important in the car. But I get it. It's like, it's not a powerful car. It's pushing 500 horsepower. You probably gain a little bit more edge down the straights with that open. But I think everybody loves it more for the fact that you can just whip it around curves so fast.
Oh, yeah.
Again, it builds that confidence in our driving ability.
This is not real. It's just a dream. Please, wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up.
Will your system be alright when you dream of home tonight?
I've been having dreams.
Dream on, dream on, dreaming about the things that we could be.
You make me feel like I'm living a teenage dream. The way you turn me
Dream of paradise. Only just a dream. I could use a dream or a genie or a wish.
Sweet dreams are made of the
For every dreamer, a dream was unstoppable. With something to believe in.
Racing is life. Anything that happens before or after